Do you know how to get a good deal in San Francisco? Sometimes even under $1 million? Watch this video next. Now I'm going to show you this fixer-upper here in the Excelsior district in San Francisco. And this was priced under $1 million. We'll see if it goes for that. Let me show you. So here we go. So you can see when we walk into this, right away the carpet looks like it needs help. So this would be taken out completely. You can see the fireplace could use a good refacing. Paint job. I would like to open up the kitchen a lot more. Oh, let's do this. So it looks like you have vinyl in the kitchen. These cabinets, these are the old cabinets. Now sometimes you can keep these and we'll paint these, and you put on new handles and stuff, and it'll make it look a lot better. And then redo the countertops with quartz. Or you can gut this kitchen, although that's going to be pretty expensive. But I would open up this wall here. You can see a lot of wear and tear on the cabinets and the sink. So this really needs some help here. It is something that you should do. You can take a look at now I like this old tile, and out, in the older homes in the 20s or so had these types of tiles, 30s, 40s, and it's kind of cool. And what I really like is the skylights. They had these, they brought a lot of light into the house. This should be the furnace. Nope. The furnace was there at one time. And these are nice. So these are the old hardwood floors. So these you can, so this is the master. So these floors you can refinish and they'll turn out pretty nice. Get a floor guy in here to tell us for sure. Now this bathroom, this definitely looks like, I don't know, I would gut it. Nice again to have the light coming in. That you can see here. Let's take a look at the backyard. Nice backyard. So a good sized backyard. Let's take a look at the other bedroom. Someone try and do that? I don't think they were a professional. I don't know what's going on here. Kind of funny. All right, let's go. And we're gonna go downstairs. Ooh, jackpot. So this is really, wow, this is a huge garage. Wow. You know, laundry back here. Someone had a little woodworking place, and then you've got your access to the backyard. Wow, this garage is killer. This is great. See, you've got your furnace here and your water heater here. Well, the water heater can go outside. You can do a tankless water heater. And your furnace, this is nice, it's a newer one, but you could move this up or maybe over, and look at all this space. You could park 4 cars, 5 cars in here. Wow. Let's take a look at the box. So let's take a look here. Oh, it's a Federal. Yeah, so you kind of want to change these out. Make sure you change that out. There's another company too called Zinsco, and so those, you don't want those boxes in there. Good. And it looks like they've got some copper piping in here. So overall, this is cool. So I love the garage. So that's it for the home tour here. You know, nice little fixer here in the Excelsior district in San Francisco. Hey, if you're looking for something like this somewhere around the city, hey, give me a call or email or comment down below, and I'd be happy to find you one. All right, this is David Poulsen here in San Francisco. Bye-bye.